I've always thought this would be interesting, but I don't know if I'm the person to do it. Of like, I'm fortunate enough. I have a handful of some nicer tools.
Yeah.
Getting a not like a bargain basement, just like we all know this is going to be a piece of shit, but like one that's like actually potentially be like, this is 85% as good.
Yeah.
And like kind of like testing and comparing those things of like, is it actually worth $900 more for this thing?
Yeah, I mean, I guess it depends. You have to define worth, I guess.
Yeah, I know. And I'm like, I don't know that I could create a compelling story for something like that.
Sure.
But it's an interesting thing because people always inherently want to know, well, this is $1,200, but this is $700. Like, it's the $500. What's the $500 really getting?
Right.
Yeah.
Even if they're not going to actually go out and buy it, it's interesting enough for
sometimes.
Some people.
It's just interesting to see the comparison. A channel I like is Torque Test channel. They'll do like comparisons of tools. It's more a mechanic tool, hence the torque. They'll do like a lot of impact guns and stuff like that.
Sure.
But they'll be like, what's the Walmart brand, Flex or whatever?
The white one.
Yeah. Anyways, they'll be like this, they'll compare. They'll be like the DeWalt made this many foot-pounds and the Walmart brand made this many, but the DeWalt one's twice as expensive.
I'm going to be honest with you now. No, 10, 15 years ago, I think there was a massive disparity in drills, impact drivers, stuff like that.
Yeah.
You give me just about any drill that's not like a $19 like just solid plastic drill.
Yeah.
Just about any drill, any impact driver, I'm good with it.
If you're driving like fasteners, like you're driving metal fasteners into wood, whatever, dude, they're all fine.
Right.
If you're like trying to like break rusted nuts off of the bottom of a car or something like that, if you're trying to take big heavy suspension bolts off a car, maybe I could see an argument that you need like the super powerful, $500, $600 Milwaukee or DeWalt, but